Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to discuss about writing a C program to perform basic bank operations, and those operations are depositing the amount into the account, withdrawing the amount, checking balance and then exit. So these are the four options which we'll be going to perform by using C programming language. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions then let me know in the comment section. Now let us first see the output. So when this program gets executed, you will get this menu with these four options, okay, and with each and every option you can see a number is prefixed. Suppose you want to perform deposit, then a message will be asked to you, enter your choice. Then if you enter 1, then again one more message gets popped up, and that message is enter the amount. Then you will be entering the amount. Let us suppose you enter 2000, then amount deposited is 2000, message will display. Immediately after that the same menu started displaying, where again it asks you to enter the choice out of these four choices. Suppose now you enter 2, that means you want to perform withdrawal, and it will ask you to enter the amount that you want to withdraw. Earlierly we had deposited 2000. Now when it comes to withdraw, suppose you enter 500, then you will get a message like withdraw amount is 500. If you want to check the balance, then again the same menu will display, and you will enter 3, then balance is 1500 will display. Okay, so now this menu will be keep on displaying to the user until and unless user enters 4. The moment when user enters 4, the loop gets terminated and will come out from the do while loop. So now just by looking at this program, what do you think, how many variables are required? Now as you can see here, as I had told you that the moment when we execute the program, we will be displaying this menu, and we are asking the user to enter the choice. That means in our program we need to create a variable which will store the choice value. That means we need to create an integer variable, let us say ch. Okay, so this one variable we want. Then we are asking the user to enter the amount. That means in our program we need to create a variable which will hold the value of amount. We need to create one more variable with the name amount. We also need to print the balance. After deducting the amount or after withdrawal, there will be some amount left in the balance, right? And we need to store that value inside the balance variable. That's why we need to create one more variable with a name balance, and we need to set an initial amount to the balance variable to 0. Okay, so these are the variables which are required for us in our program. Now next what we can do is, whenever user choosing the deposit option and when the user enters the initial deposit amount, we need to perform an operation, and that operation is balance equals to balance plus amount. Now suppose, let us take this example. Now user has entered 2000 amount. Okay, now this 2000 will get stored inside the amount variable, and initially balance variable will hold the value 0, and 0 plus 2000, and we will get 2000 stored inside the balance. Next, when it comes to withdraw, what we can do, deduct the amount, withdrawal amount from the balance. So for withdrawal we need to use this expression, balance is equals to balance minus amount. Okay, now you know that the balance variable hold the value 2000, and when it comes to withdraw, user wants to withdraw 500, so this 500 will store inside the amount, and balance value we already know, that is 2000. 2000 minus 500, and we will get 1500 stored inside the balance. Okay, and we can see that balance just by entering 3 as an option to check the balance. Now since this program is very simple, what we can do is, first we need to design a menu and then we should ask the user to enter the choice, and then we need to take that choice and we need to pass that choice to the switch, and based on the entered choice we need to compare the value of the choice variable with each and every of these cases. So you guys will easily understand when I start this program. So now let us start this program. Now I need to declare the variables. Okay, I had mentioned the variables here, so I will be using the same variable int choice to store the choice which user will going to enter. Then I want another variable, let us say amount, and next variable is balance is equals to 0. These are the three variables which we require. Next, now I need to design this menu. In this output I am keep on showing the menu until the user enters the 4. That means this menu I need to put inside the while loop, because these are the options which keeps on repeating again and again until the user enters value 4 to the choice. So I should start the do while loop, do, and then printf one dot deposit. Now I have created a menu. Next I need to display this message, enter your choice. Then user will going to enter the any of this choice. Then I need to take that value and store that value inside ch variable scan f. Now the user's input for these choices get stored inside ch variable. Now I need to pass that ch to the switch. Switch ch. Next, case 1. Suppose user has entered 1, that means user wants to perform deposit. Then ch will hold the value 1 and the 1 gets matched with the case 1 value. Then questions for deposit needs to ask, like regarding deposit what questions can be asked, like enter the amount, print. Okay. Next I need to accept that amount. Now I need to add this amount to the balance. Balance equals to balance plus amount. Next I need to display this message, amount deposited is 2000. Printf amount, and then break at the end. Okay. Now we need to test for the withdraw option also. Suppose user has entered 2, that means user wants to perform withdrawal, and that can be done using the case 2. Case 2. Okay. Suppose user enters 2, then 2 gets stored inside ch variable, and this 2 gets compared with case 2 and it will ask a message, and now I need to accept this amount. Scanf amount. Now I need to deduct the amount from the balance. Balance is equals to balance minus amount. Okay. Now I need to display the amount which is withdrawn. Yes, withdrawal amount is 500. Printf amount. Then break. Next, what if user wants to check the balance? Then in that case user will be entering 3, and that I need to check with case 3. Case 3. When user enters 3, then immediately message started displaying balance is 1500. Case 3 print f balance is %d comma balance. Okay. Now user may enter option 4 to exit. That can be done with case 4. Case 4. Okay. printf exiting, and then exit 0. Okay. What if user enters any number other than the numbers of 1, 2, 3, 4? Then in that case I should display a message like invalid input. Default, that should come under default printf invalid input. Okay, so now I have written the cases for all the input. Now, as you guys already know that I had started a do while loop, and this do while should end here. While ch is not equals to 4, semicolon. Okay. Then at the end return 0 and then flower bracket closed. Okay, so this is an entire program to perform basic bank related operations like deposit, withdraw, check balance, and then exit. So that's all for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.